Hello viewers, welcome back to PK Learning. Viewers, today we will discuss the important MCQs of biology. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's start it. And first question is, DNA is not present in nucleus, mitochondria, plastid or Golgi bodies. And answer is D, Golgi bodies. DNA is not present in Golgi bodies. D is correct option. And next question. Transplantation of kidney is example of medicine, morphology, physiology or surgery. And answer is D, surgery. Transplantation of kidney is example of surgery. D is correct option. And next question is, the element that makes 3% of the total mass of living organism is hydrogen, carbon, oxygen or nitrogen. And answer is D, nitrogen. The element that makes 3% of the total mass of living organism is nitrogen. D is correct option. And next question. The example of micromolecule is lipids, proteins, glucose or starch. And answer is C, glucose. The example of micromolecule is glucose. C is correct option. And next question is, it is responsible for the transmission of malaria in sparrow, Culex mosquito, Anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito or insect. And answer is A, Culex mosquito. Transmission of malaria in sparrow occurs through Culex mosquito is correct option. And next question. The three kingdom system was proposed by Margulis, Aristotle, Whittaker or Ernest Haeckel. And answer is D, Ernest Haeckel. The three kingdom system was proposed by Ernest Haeckel. D is correct option. And next question is, family is a group of related genera, orders, classes or species. And answer is A, genera. Family is a group of related genera. A is correct option. And next question. The thin extensions of mitochondrial membranes are known as cristae, matrix, thylakoids or stroma. And answer is A, cristae. Thin extensions of mitochondrial membranes are cristae. A is correct option. And next question. is, stroma is found in mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes or chloroplast. And answer is D, chloroplast. Stroma is found in chloroplast. D is correct option. And next question. And is, colorless plastids are called chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast or etioplast. And answer is B, leucoplast. Colorless plastids are called leucoplast. B is correct option. And next question is, which vitamin act as coenzyme? Formic acid, nucleic acid, amino acid or folic acid? And answer is D, folic acid. Vitamin act as coenzyme is folic acid. D is correct option. And next question is, which organism regenerates its last parts through mitosis? Sea star, horse, mosquito or frog? And answer is A, sea star. The organism which regenerates its last part through mitosis is sea star. A is correct option. And next question. Citrus fruits are source of vitamin B, D, K or C? And answer is D, C. Citrus fruits are source of vitamin C. D is correct option. Which vitamin is source of citrus fruits? Vitamin C. Option number D is, the average lifespan of a blood platelets is days, 8 to 9, 7 to 9, 9 to 7 or 7 to 8. And answer is D, 7 to 8. The average lifespan of a blood platelets is 7 to 8 days. D is correct option. And next question. Food contains energy in its bonds, kinetic, potential, heat or solar. And answer is B, potential. Food contains energy in its bonds is potential energy. B is correct option. And next question. Villi are found in small intestine, large intestine, liver or halt. And answer is A, small intestine. Villi are found in small intestine. A is correct option. And next question. Human body is made of about types of cells, 200, 300, 400 or 500. And answer is A, 200. Human body is made of about 200 types of cells. A is correct option. And next question. A liter of ethanol weighs 780 gram, 709 gram, 1000 gram or 750 gram. And the answer is B, 789 gram. A liter of ethanol weighs 789 gram. B is correct option. And next question. Element required for the function of hormone insulin is iron, chromium, zinc or sodium. And answer is D, sodium. The element required for the function of hormone insulin is sodium. D is correct option. And next question. How much percentage of lipid is present in milk? 10%, 12%, 9%, 4%. And answer is D, 4%. The percentage of lipid present in milk is 4%. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.